Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Elite Series 2 controller. First, connect your controller to your Xbox console or Windows PC using a USB-C cable or wirelessly. Next, download and open the Xbox Accessories app from your console's store or the Microsoft Store on PC. It's crucial to ensure your controller's firmware is up to date within the app for the best performance and access to all customization options. This initial setup is quick and essential for unlocking its full potential. Once in the app, you can create up to 3 distinct custom profiles, perfect for different game genres or play styles. You have the power to remap any button on the controller, including the 4 interchangeable paddles, to any other input you desire. Furthermore, assign shift functions to effectively double the number of available button assignments, giving you unparalleled control and flexibility in your gameplay. This level of customization truly elevates your gaming experience. Dive deeper into customization by adjusting stick sensitivity curves. You can choose from several presets or create your own for precise aiming or fluid movement. Set trigger lock limits to reduce the pull distance of your triggers, allowing for faster firing in competitive games. Additionally, personalize the vibration intensity for both the impulse triggers and the rumble motors, ensuring your feedback is perfectly tailored to your preferences. These fine-tuning options offer a significant competitive edge. Finally, assign specific actions to the 4 interchangeable paddles on the back of your controller, enhancing your accessibility and reaction time. Once satisfied with your settings, save your customized profiles directly to the controller's onboard memory. This allows you to take your personalized setup with you, even when playing on a different console. You can then switch between your saved profiles instantly using the dedicated profile button located on the controller itself, offering seamless adaptation to any game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.